Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. Cloud Institution is the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video we're going to see another very important and very interesting and the frequently asked interview question. Um, so today, so the question is going to be: Is VPC peering transitive? So what do you mean by transitive? So first of all, if you want to understand what is transitive, right? We should understanding like how VPC peering works. Okay. So the question is, what is transitive? I'm going to explain it to you what is transitive now. But before that, let's see the answer. What is transitive? No, VPC peering is not transitive. Okay, if you have VPC peering connection between VPC A, VPC B, and VPC C, VPC B and VPC A, right? So and VPC C, you cannot route the traffic from the VPC B to VPC C through VPC A. Okay, so which means that VPC A, okay, I'm going to explain it to you in the board. Okay, so for example, I have three VPCs. Okay, VPC A and VPC B and VPC C. Okay, now so this is VPC A and VPC B and VPC CC. Okay. Now what happens is that so if you have a so you have created a VPC peering between VPC A and VPC B. Okay, and you have created a peering between VPC B and VPC C. Okay, now which means that so this is a peering connection one, peering, and here also a peering is there. Okay, now because you have VPC A will be able to connect to the VPC B and VPC B able to connect with the VPC C. Is it mean that VPC A will be able to connect to VPC C? Is it possible without having peering? It is not, right? So this is called transitive. Okay, so now VPC A will be able to only connect to VPC B, but VPC B will be able to only connect with VPC C. Okay, so the both the VPCs will be having access to VPC B only, but VPC A will not be able to have access to VPC C. Okay, because of the limitation. Okay, so this is called transitive. Okay, what do you mean by transitive? Transitive means there is no relation between VPC A and VPC C if you don't create explicit peering between VPC A and VPC C. So it cannot be ever relation once. Okay, so this is very important question as part of the interview. Okay, that's why we have answered like this. If you have VPC A and VPC B and VPC A and VPC C, now you cannot route the traffic between VPC B and VPC C through VPC A. Okay, so you need to have a direct peering connection between VPC B and VPC C, and this is also another limitation of VPC, VPC peering, right? If you have more VPCs, if you have hundreds of VPCs, you have to be having a you have to create VPC peering between each and every VPCs, all the times. So you need to create a VPCs and we need to have route tables and everything. Okay, so that is why we are having the the transit gateway. Okay, so transit gateway, we already seen the transit gateway and the difference between transit gateway and VPC peering, right? So that is the difference between transit gateway and VPC peering. So, like transit gateway will be able to communicate between other VPCs if you have connected each other, okay, but not the VPC peering. Okay, so that's it about this video, guys. So if you're preparing for interview, please go through all these kind of interview questions. It will be very helpful for you to crack the interview. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or if you want to enroll for any courses, please reach out to us on this number. Okay, so if you're preparing for interview, please read all the interview questions on this playlist. It'll be really helpful for you to crack the interview if you go for interview. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for rest of the videos in the future.